Welcome grade 5. How are you all students? Today is 3rd May and Monday. It's our 24th online class. Grade 5, open up your books. Page number 26. Question number 2. Here copy and multiply in one step. The first part A, 98,752 multiply by 30. So look at the board now, how you have to multiply the numbers with the 30, 10 and 100. You have to multiply it in one step. For multiplying in one step, you can say this is the 2-digit number multiplying with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit number with the 2-digit number. But here we have a 0, 30, 3 tens. So for one step, what you have to do, grade 5 आपने क्या करना है, put the 0 in the starting and then multiply 3 with the all digit. First put the 0, पहले आप 0 लगा लें, and 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 7s are 21 and 22, 2, again 2, 3 8s are 24, 25, 26, again 2 carry, 3 9s are 27, 28 and 29. So this is your answer. So put the 0 in the starting of the before multiplying, starting से पहले ही लगा दें, और at the end of the multiplying, when you have a number with the 0 at the ones place, you can multiply the simply tens number and put the 0 in the with the answer in the ones column में आप 0 put कर लें and then multiply the second number with the all digit. This is the procedure to multiply in one step. Okay, so for one step you have to multiply like this. So grade 5, this is your task for today, and also do the product of the following. Question number 3. You have to do question number 3, product of the following A, B. You have to do A, B and C part on your notebooks. One I'm doing for you. The first one I'm doing for you. This is 7,353. We will multiply 7,353 with the 642. Okay? Now it's clear for you. We will multiply, first we start multiplying with the 2. We multiply 2 with all the digit. 2 with the 3, 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 1 7, 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14. Now it's turn to multiply 4 with all the digit. First we multiply 2, now second number 4, 4 3s are 12. We start writing from the tens column. We put one cross in the ones place पे, ठीक है. 4 3s are 12, 2 1 carry, 4 5s are 20 and 1 21, 1 and 2 carry, 4 3s are 12, 13 and 14. We will put 4 again 1 carry, 4 7s are 28 or 129. ठीक है. In this way you have to multiply. Now it's the turn of 6. Now 100 प्लेस पे जो डिजिट है इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ऑल डिजिट के साथ 1 by 1, 3 के साथ. You multiply 6 3s are 18. You have to write under the 100 column. Okay, ones और tens को छोड़ के you have to put the 2 cross or zeros. ठीक है. This is the procedure to multiply the digit more than 2 3 4. जब 2 और 1 से ज़्यादा डिजिट हो तो we start putting cross or zeros to write the number under the correct values. 6 is on 100 place, so we will write 6 3s are 18. We will write 8 under the 100 column. ठीक है. We wouldn't write in the tens and ones column. We start writing from the 100 column. 6 3s are 18, 6 5s are 30, 1 31 and 3 carry, 6 3s are 18, 19 20 21, 1 and 2 carry, 6 7s are 42, 43 and 44. And now add these numbers: 6 2 7 8 15 and 1 16, 4 8 9 and 1 10, 9 or 1 10, 11 or 12, 2 or 4 2s are 8 or 1 7, 4 2 8, 4 2 6 and 7 and 4 का 4. In this way you have to multiply and then add the numbers. Write one number under the other numbers. Okay, so it will be easy for you to add and multiply. ठीक है, write one digit in one box in your notebooks. Okay, so it will be easy for you. Watch the video very carefully and don't forget to subscribe my channel.